Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the bitrate in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So Capcut allows us to adjust the bitrate for exporting the video. And for better quality, we should choose higher bitrate and use codec like H.264 or H.265, which offers a better balance between quality and the file size. So let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut in your PC. Now create a new project or edit your existing project. I'll go with my existing project. Now, to change the bitrate, simply click on Export. And here, you can see the options like codec and bitrate. Now it is on recommended, but if you want to change it, you can simply click on this drop down menu. And now you can choose the lower bitrate or higher, or you can also use the custom bitrate. I'll simply choose the higher option, and once you choose the higher option, you can simply click on export button to export the video. And that's it. That's how we can change the bitrate in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.